Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install the OLK Luminous log kit into a Napoleon TLV74L fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement over the venturi's when used with the log placement leaflet. When installing the OLK Luminous log kit into the TLV74L, stud K will need to be removed. To begin, locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over venturi 2 and stud D. The log should sit flat on the media tray and not cover or cross over the burner at any point. Next, locate the holes in the bottom of log 2 and place them over stud E, venturi 3, and stud F. The log will sit flat on the media tray and will cross over the burner with a small charred arch. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 3 and place them over venturi 4 and stud G. This log will also sit flat on the media tray and cross over the burner with a small charred arch. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 4 and place them over venturi 5 and stud H. The bottom of the log will lay flat on the media tray, with the extended end resting on the top of log 2, across log 3. Locate the holes on the bottom of log 5, and place them over venturi 1, and stud B. The large base of the log will sit flat on the media tray, around the burner, with the extended portion reaching towards the left side of the firebox. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 6, and place them over venturi 6, and stud J. The log should lay flat on the media tray, with the charred part facing the front of the fireplace. Locate the hole in the bottom of log 7, and place it over stud A. The log should lay flat on the media tray, underneath log 5, behind the burner. Locate the hole in the bottom of log 8, stud C, the opposite end of log 8, and right side of log 5. The log should sit over the stud, with the opposite end resting above the split end, on the bottom of log 5. Locate the hole in the bottom of log 9, stud I, the opposite end of log 9, and top of log 6. The log should be placed over the stud, crossing over the burner, with the opposite end resting in the middle of log 6. Locate the split end of log 10, right side of log 6, charred end of log 10, and right side of the media tray. The charred end should lay flat on the media tray, with the split end resting against the right side of log 6. With all the logs placed correctly within the firebox, turn on the Ember bed lights, then wash, dry, and place the glass on the media tray, around the logs. Ensure there is no glass placed on the burner, or pilot, and the lights can shine through the media tray, creating a realistic Ember bed effect. Next, place the splinters around and on top of the glass, filling in the remaining areas of the media tray. Place the charcoal pieces around the logs, and in between the other media to create a realistic Ember bed effect. Now place the rocks strategically around the other media, to fill out the entire media tray. Then place glowing embers on the burner, around the large burner ports, ensuring not to cover the burner entirely. Lastly, spread the vermiculite throughout the media tray, to add a realistic texture to the Ember bed. With all of the media installed correctly, reinstall the door, and turn on the appliance, allowing it to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. This time frame allows for the flame to establish, for a more accurate assessment of the appliance's baseline operation. If for any reason fire is visible underneath the burner, install the gaskets and rings provided, following the steps in the installation leaflet. To do this, peel the paper off the back of the silicone gasket, and stick it to the steel ring. Next, place the gasket side of the ring assembly into the venturi hole in the logs. Ensure the steel ring is flush to the bottom of the log, for a tight seal. Inspect the flame coming from the burner. Ensure the glowing embers are not blocking any of the burner ports, and are spread out to create a realistic glow. Lastly, inspect the flames coming from the luminous logs. Each opening should be filled with an active flame, reaching towards the top of the log. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.